How to tag someone on Instagram stories without showing it. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to tag someone on your Instagram story without actually showing it. So basically what you have to do is add a picture to your story. So I'm going to be posting this picture on my story. What I can do is just tap on the blank space to bring out the text. Type in @ to mention someone. I can just type in their name. You can most probably change the color to black if you want to hide it. There are quite a different ways that you can hide it. So the first one is you can hide it inside the picture itself or move it out of the frame. So what you basically want to do is make it really small so that it's really hard to see. Move it somewhere on the color. As you can see here, I have this on the golden part over here right now. I can just move it around and take it to where it's black. And there, that way no one will be able to see it. This is the first method. The other thing you can do is directly add mention but move them out of the frame. Go to stickers, go to mentions, tap on their name. Now you basically have to move this out of the frame, like if you want it to below or above, to the side, anywhere you want. I'll just move it below and they will still be tagged. Now just tap on add to story. And there's one last thing that you can do without having to show the mention on screen. That is, you can post a story beforehand and then add mention after. So just tap on the more option after stories being posted, tap on add mention, and then you can select the person you want to mention, tap on add, and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.